Our guest speaker, Mr. Kondo Green, members of the school board, principal, vice principal, representative of the Ministry of Education, specially invited guests, members of the academic staff, administrative and ancillary staff, and our supporting families and friends. And even more notable, welcome goes out to us, graduates, who have made this event warranted. This celebratory event represents our ability to overcome the many challenges that came our way during our tenure and the commencement of our adult life. We are confident that we have been equipped with the necessary skills, attitude, to make the transition into the world. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2030 Greenwood High School valedictory service.
Go play now. Can't get to see. And then we can go over there.